Mr. President, I visited the Iloilo Rehabilitation Center only yesterday. Only yesterday. It's not because we have been called without basis, the most shabulized city, but indeed the rehabilitation center would need some upgrading. I wish we can dismantle some of the buildings here and move it to Iloilo, but let me put on record that the Iloilo Rehabilitation Center is maintained quite well. Malinis. I don't know kung nilinis na rin, darating ako, pero malinis po. And however, they lack dormitories because their present dormitories for about 100, and there are about 130 in those dormitories. So they have requested me if we can fund a dormitory for female rehabs, so that and I will I'm making this amendment when we get to the Department of Health budget, because these rehabilitation centers are under the Department of Health. Of course, understandably, when I propose that we rehabilitate the Iloilo Rehabilitation Center, the budget submitted to me was for all the rehabilitation centers. Hindi naman po. But